Hi there guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to delete groups in Telegram. First of all, I need to mention that you have two options. The first option is by selecting this and going on the trash side on the right upper side, but we will see the second option first with, for example, tapping the search this and go on the right upper side the third dots and then go delete and leave group. After that, you have the option delete the group for all members. Now go on that and go delete group. As you can see now, the group has been deleted. Now you have the option with this and, for example, select this one and go on the trash bin on the right upper side. Go delete. Yeah, now we have deleted groups on Telegram. Thank you so much guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like and see you soon.